my friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you this beautiful and easy makeup look. You can wear it for school, for work, you name it. So without further ado, hold on. There is something I have to tell you. If you have dry skin like I do, it is hard, to find a foundation that would work without dryness. This was my all-time favorite, and it still is. I think I would wear it more for the summer, but you could see the patches on my face since it's super dry. My skin is super dry. So I just discovered this one from Makeup Forever. I am in love with this foundation. It is so dewy, and I even had to set it with powder. So I'm very excited to share with you that this foundation is very good for dry skin. With that being said, now let me go ahead and show you what I did.
I'm gonna begin with a primer. Right after that, I am going to color correct my skin. Following up with my foundation, I will be applying it with a damped beauty blender. And then I will be also applying some of the setting spray on the beauty blender and dabbing it on my face. Then I will be applying my concealer. I will set everything with a translucent powder and my setting spray. Eyebrows in. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this palette. It's from Crown, and the first shade is going to be a kind of a warm color, and this is going to be that transitional color. I'm gonna apply it with a fluffy blending brush, and then I will use a darker shade for the outer V of the eye, and that same color I will be drying it to the bottom lash like so. Right after that, I'm going to use a darker brown, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it very close to the lash line. Don't forget to blend everything out. And then the last color that I will be using is this one. It does have some shimmer to it. It looks very, very pretty and kind of natural. Then I will be applying some of that mascara on my lashes. And then I will do a very natural contouring. And for the blush, I will be using this one from NARS. And I will be applying a pop of color on the inner corner of the eyes and the brow bone, and also on my cheekbones. Following up with this peach lippy, and no lashes, but should I put them on? So this is how it looks without lashes. Bam! Here we go with lashes on. Well, my friends, that is it. I hope that you like this tutorial, and like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adios.